Hey! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be organising the laundry with some of the things that I got in my last haul. So if you've seen my empty house tour video, you would have seen this space already and you would know exactly how sad it was when we first moved in. And to be perfectly honest, it is still pretty sad. It's not a functional space. And I've never really shown it any love anyway because we are going to renovate this space eventually, but now it's just a dumping ground and it's driving me crazy, so I need to do some organising. So today we're going to do a little bit of a mini laundry makeover. If you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button and join my little family and enjoy today's video. I'm going to fully expose myself here with some before shots because this place is just bleh. Like, it's nothing special, it's not organised, things are everywhere and it's just not nice. So the first thing that you see when you walk in are actually the shelves that I used in... Oh, bless you. The first thing you see when you walk in is the shelves that I actually used in my very first video ever, which was also a laundry makeover in our rental that we used to live in. They were actually really great there and they made the space way more functional than what it was. But as you can see, they have become a bit of a dumping ground. They just have stuff all over them and it's not organised, but that's kind of the only useful storage we have in here. So we also have our washing stuff and some things for the dogs on top of the washing machine, and the cupboard under the sink. This is just full of stuff. I honestly couldn't tell you what is actually in here other than that box of toilet cleaner. Like, I have no idea, no clue. And we move across to the tall cupboard that's in the corner of the room. You would think that this would be really helpful storage space, but it is not. And it also blocks the manhole cover and is broken up the top. So from the outside, it looks like it would be the size of a broom cupboard, but as you can see, the shelves are just awkwardly spaced and it's just not quite tall enough to actually fit anything tall in there. And then you also have the smaller, like the shelving up the top is smaller and just awkward sized, so it's just full of stuff. And as you can see, my wonderful plastic bag collection, fully exposing myself right here. This is fully just a junk room. There is so much stuff just everywhere. Long story short, no helpful storage and nothing is tidy or organised. So as with any makeover that I've done on my channel, you guys know the first thing I do is pull everything down and clean and organise it. So I've dusted these, wiped down everything, wiped down the sink. We do not use the sink pretty much ever because it's just gross. The taps are linking onto the wall, which we cannot get off. I'm not sure if you can see that in the through the camera or not, but they're leaking through the wall. The siliconing is all like coming out and gross. There's mold that I cannot get off. We just don't use the sink. It's not ideal. The only thing we have used it for is cleaning paintbrushes. So I'm gonna do the Kmart bamboo duckboard trick, cover that up, give us some more space, and we'll go from there. I still need to empty this cupboard out though. I need to do that. Yum. Yum.
That looks like a big thing.
These are nice.
Did you do a foot stomp? Excuse me?
The milkshake's not for you, Frost.
Are you fucking serious?
I was thirsty. So after that wonderful milkshake, I got completely distracted and stopped doing anything in here. And then the next day, I kept going and started sorting through stuff. With Kai's help, of course. Progress has been made. I need to order some baskets and stuff to organise all this, and I'm gonna ask Evan if he can make some more shelves like this because there is holes the whole way down there, so we might be able to get some more shelves in there, and that could give me some storage for all the spares that I don't need out. But right now, I just have nowhere to really put anything. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, I've kind of started putting stuff in spaces
I'm not happy yet. We will continue.
And then, after that, I have lost all of my footage of everything else that I did in here, which is great. I did post a small little story on my Instagram of cleaning like the washing machine and the dryer and stuff out. So if you're on my Instagram, you would have seen that, but I have nothing else. Basically, I just went through everything, put stuff in the containers that I bought in my last haul, and kind of tidied and organized. We haven't put any extra shelves into the big long cupboard yet, so I've kind of just put things in there for now, and then when we get around to that, I'll reorganize that a bit better. And I completely forgot about under the sink. I didn't take anything out, I didn't organize it, I didn't clean it out, nothing, so I'm gonna have to do that at another time. So, now that I'm completely finished, let me remind you of what this place looked like before. And this is what it looks like now. Obviously, it's not perfect, but the space really isn't very practical, so it was never going to be perfect. However, it is tidy and it is organized, and that is good enough for me until we renovate. So that's it for today's video. Let me know what you thought in the comments down below. I honestly just can't wait to completely redo this space. It is going to be amazing. You guys will love it, so please subscribe to see that happen in the future. So that's it for today's video, guys. Leave a like down below if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! Okay, well done. Oh, hi puppies. Yeah, we're finished, baby. Thank you.